If you want to join Instagram but unsure how to create an account, whether you are on a computer or mobile, this guide has got you covered. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you how to create a brand new Instagram account using any browser. And yes, the steps are almost identical on the app too. So first step, open any browser. Navigate to your search engine and go to www.instagram.com. On the homepage, you will see a sign-in form. If you already have an account, simply fill up your credentials and tap Login. But for this video, we are trying to create a new account, so tap Create New Account. Here, you can sign up using your mobile number, or you also have an option to sign up with email address. For this demo, we are going with our email address. Here, enter your email address. Once done, tap Next. By this time, a confirmation code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. If you have not received the code, tap I didn't receive the code so that Instagram can resend it, and tap Next. Now create a strong password. Once done, tap Next. Here you will be asked to enter your birthday. Fill it. Once done, tap Set. Now tap Next. Enter your full name and tap Next. Agree to the Instagram's terms and policies. And that's it, your account is ready. These same steps work on the Instagram app too. Just download it, open it and follow the same process. Now you're all set to start posting, following and exploring the world of Instagram. Don't forget to like and follow for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.